Mm. Some days I don't even recognize myself. I wake up, same room, same thoughts in my head, but it feels like I'm someone I never met. Look in the mirror, don't like what I see. That reflection don't look like it belongs to me. I smile outside, but I'm empty inside. Got a hundred fake, I'm fine as I hide. Every step that I take feels heavier now, like I'm lost in the crowd, but I don't know how. I try to change, but I fall back down. Same cycle, same pain, running round and round. People say just be yourself, like it's easy to do, but what if the person I am ain't something I choose? I keep it all in, never let it show, but I'm breaking inside and nobody knows. If I disappear, would it matter at all? Or would I just fade and nobody would call? I hate being me, cause I don't know who I'm supposed to be. Every version of me feels like a mistake, and I don't even know what it takes. I hate being me, yeah I try but I can't break free from the thoughts that are tearing me down. I'm lost even when people are around. Late nights, I'm stuck in my own head again, talking to thoughts that I can't defend. They say stay strong, but I don't feel strong. Feels like I've been broken for way too long. I push people away, then I feel alone. Then I wonder why I'm on my own. It's a pattern I repeat every time, like I'm stuck in a loop in my mind. I don't need fixing, I just need peace, but it feels like peace don't come from me. Every hope I had turns into dust, and I don't even know who to trust. I keep it all in, never let it show, but I'm breaking inside and nobody knows. If I disappear, would it matter at all? Or would I just fade and nobody would call? I hate being me, cause I don't know who I'm supposed to be. Every version of me feels like a mistake, and I don't even know what it takes. I hate being me, yeah I try but I can't break free from the thoughts that are tearing me down. I'm lost even when people are around. If I told you the truth, would you understand? Or just see a problem you can't stand? I don't want attention, I just want relief from the weight that's been crushing underneath. Maybe I'll change, maybe I won't. Maybe I'm stuck in places I don't know, but right now I'm barely holding on, trying to act like nothing's wrong. I hate being me, but I don't know who else I could be. Every version of me feels like a lie, and I don't even know why I try. I hate being me, yeah I'm trapped in my own debris, and I scream but it stays in my head, like a voice I can't silence instead. Yeah, I don't hate life, I just don't know how to live mine.